administration charge against you, is that correct? You have that with you today?
Yes, it is.
Deputy, please, and this would be for 074 6115, correct? Good. Case dismissed. Make sure you keep that valid for me in the car, all right?
Yeah,
Thank you so much. Get some paperwork. You have a great day.
You too.
Hi, good afternoon, sir. Can I have your last name?
Are you administrating John Markham's trust?
I'm so sorry.
Are you administrating John Markham's trust?
First of all, what is your name, sir?
Are we on the record?
Yes, sir.
Let the record show I am a living, flesh and breathing natural man that goes by the proper name John Markham. I am the director, beneficiary, and not the trustee of the constructed trust case. Number 50-2015-TR-086931-AXXX-MB. Also, let the record show that I do not recognize this jurisdiction, neither am I interested in waiving any of my common law rights secured by the Constitution.
The record is so reflected, sir. However, you were issued a ticket. You had voluntarily appeared before this court. Would you acknowledge
No.
that? Sir, listen to my question.
I'm making a
Answer this
special
while-
visitation.
And you're before the court.
I'm making a special visitation today to address the matter at hand.
Okay, exactly. So
You do not have a contract with me. I have not signed any contract with this corporate entity.
And do you have?
And at this moment, I would like to challenge jurisdiction and be shown adequate evidence for the record that you have jurisdiction over me.
I appreciate that, sir. What is?
And I want to move for a motion of dismissal.
Okay. Keep talking, sir. And at one point, you're going to find yourself not here, but somewhere else, and you have little bars in front of it. As it is now, sir, here's the question that's pending before you. Do you have a written motion before the court as required by Florida rules of traffic court that you can present to the court? Do you have said motion, sir? Yes or no? Yes or no?
I would like to state for the
The answer
record,
is no. Motion is denied on the record.
I do not recognize this
I understand
jurisdiction.
you've already put that on the record, sir. It is so
Yes, sir.
reflected on the record. You're now,
And
we will set this matter
I would like to
trial.
state for the record, can you provide adequate evidence for the Department of State and from the federal court that you have stepped inside a federal court in front of a federal jury and provided them adequate evidence that I am a corporation?
Thank you, sir, for your colloquy. This record is so reflected. I want to make sure I protect your rights, whether you believe that or not. Your rights are so protected. At this point, because you're appearing before the court, who has proper jurisdiction.
I did not appear before the court. This is a special visitation
Your special visitation, I will call.
to address the matter at hand.
So, having denied your motion without prejudice, I will set this matter for trial.
No, let the record show that I do not consent for you to speak on my behalf or to speak on my behalf or recognize for me when I do not contract with you. I do not recognize 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 you. I don't recognize you. I don't recognize you, and I do not recognize you.
And your record is so reflected, sir, if you pointed those out, if you would move over to the clerk's office, who will hand you a notice of when the trial will be, you can determine what you want to do based upon your beliefs. Thank you so very much, sir. Thank you very much. I hope you have a good day now. Thank you.
Well,
Go to the clerk now.
Over here.
Yes, ma'am.
do not touch me, sir.
Get over here.
Do not touch me.
Get over here.
Now.
Do not touch me.
Go before I take you out of this courtroom.
Do not put your hands on me.
Yes, ma'am. Could I have your last name?
I'm not signing any information. I will not contract with this court.
Goffman, we get to your case.
What was the last name, ma'am?
Goffman. Bear with me. Yes, ma'am. On your charge, would you like to continue your not guilty plea, or would you like to change it?
This is yours. Whether you want it or not,
Thank you.
there's the door. Let's go.
This way.
Are you guys together?
Don't answer any questions. We are. Yeah, right here.
I'm about to boast. Don't touch the railing. I'm about to boast.
This way. Yeah, there's 5, 6 out.
As soon as he started talking, he got on his radio.
Uh-huh. Well, because they know what I'm talking about. They know I'm telling them the truth. Alright, we're parked over here. Yeah, they gotta make sure we leave the property. But they can't make us leave. This is public property.
That's true too. That was hilarious. That was hilarious. I hope you did.
Huh?
I hope the video turned
It did.
stay on this side as long as possible.
Why?
Because we're still on the property, I think.
No, we're on public property.
But they think.
No, they don't. They
Still
know.
following
You
us?
notice he let go of my arm when I told do not touch me?
Are they still following?
No.
Are they watching?
No.
I'm dying if they're watching us. Maybe somebody's gonna stop us. Let's play it. Let me see.
Well, not yet.
Are we expired? Shouldn't be.
No.
2 hours.
All right.
That was fucking hilarious.
Set this out to Tommy Zebra.
It's not real cool.
You're mistaken, bacon.
What did they hand you?
What? A notice of the hearing.
And you're gonna go in the hearing and do the same thing, right?
Yeah.
You want a frozen one?
No.
Yeah, I wasn't going to answer him. Ma'am, are you with him? I could not believe how many freaking cops were in there. I seen the 4, and then I turned around. There's like 3, 4 more. I'm like, oh my god. There had to be 8 fucking cops in there. Because as soon as you started...
Hey, how about how he tried to threaten me?
Uh-huh.
And I just kept on going. And you notice he didn't yell over me or nothing.
I thought it was funny. We said, if you continue, you're about not to be here anymore.
He knows I'm in charge.